annoying when you make mistakes and you have to go back and do them again. So I accidentally twisted this strap, so now I have to turn it the other way. Sadly, we've run into a few issues with my daughter's dress. It would not come up over her hips. I feel like the design was very square on this pattern, and so it just didn't leave any room for her hips. And so what I'm doing now is I ripped out the seams on the sides to see if I could get it zipped up in the back if I let loose a little bit of the room on the sides of the dress. So that's what I've done. I've decided to add in like a little panel on the sides so that it'll give her some more space for her hips. And also the straps are like way too short. The design has it so the straps are like literally so short that it's the top of the dress is like right at her neck. So we're gonna extend those straps so that it's down more like right here on her. So a little bit more work to do, but we'll get there. So I need to let out at least about 3 more inches on here for the sides. So I'm gonna do that. I've never actually added panels before, so yeah. This will be like a little bit of a learning curve here on how to like make adjustments to fit someone's body better. Yeah, the pattern was just not, it was not the best for her body type. I think it's probably meant for little bitty kids, not so much for teenagers. All right, so I think we've got about that 3 inches difference here, right there. And then I will do the same on the other side. Okay, so I've torn up the side seams, and that's where I'm gonna add those panels. But first, before I do that, I want to actually rip out these straps so that I can put the new straps in. So now that I've got the dress open, it's going to be pretty easy for me to just pull those straps out and put some new ones in. Alright, so I'm going to show you how I did the panels. I cut out a panel like this, and then I sewed it into the sides where I had trimmed the seams, and so it's more curvier, I guess. Gives her a little bit more space in her hips. I need to iron it, and I might do a top stitch to help it lay a little flatter, but at least she can zip up the zipper now. The little thing here. She's
pinning the little thing.
Panel, I guess.
The panel. Where's the microphone? Is this the microphone now, Mom?
Alright, so what I'm doing now is I just cut the tool to the length for the bottom, and now I am gathering the tool for the bottom of the skirt.
What are you doing?
So I have about 4 layers of plain white tulle. I'm just gathering each one together. I have my thread pretty tight here, and it's just going to gather the fabric together. almost done, and then I can attach it to the skirt. So now I'm gonna pin this tulle to the skirt and get it sewed on. And every time I just make sure that everything's out of the way. So clearly this is a little too big for the mannequin I have, because the mannequin is like for an 8-year-old or something, and this is for, the dress is for a 12-year-old. So yeah, I have the skirt sewn onto the bottom, and I just need to do the lining so that the tulle doesn't itch her, but then it is pretty much done. She wanted it pretty simple. Just the blue and white. So I think it's turning out really cute. There we go.
Are you almost done on this dress?
I am just putting the lining in now.
Just need to finish it.
Yeah?
Wow.
Yeah, we're getting there.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, leaky kinks. 7, 8, don't be late. 9, 10, do it again.
She's embarrassed because she has pajama pants on outside.
And I have a full-on Sabrina Carpenter dress.
Strike a little pose there. There you go, that's beautiful.
Peace out, homies.